Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today is such a beautiful day. It's not too cold and not too hot, just perfect. And I'm craving agua frescas and all I have is cucumbers, so I guess it's gonna be a cucumber type of drink today. So I'm gonna go inside and make my agua fresca. But I'm gonna come back after my drink is done and chilled in the fridge and clean these patio furniture because it needs some cleaning out here. So this is my favorite picture. This one is imported from Mexico and I just love the blue rim on this and the blue handle. They use recycled glass and I think that's very cool. So the agua fresca I'm going to be making is a cucumber one, but this one is called, what kind of cucumber is this? I don't know. So I have two of these. This one is the English cucumbers. I'm going to peel this one and I'm going to use some for garnish. So yeah. Okay, so I am done. I'm probably gonna add a little bit of chia seeds. So usually when I make this drink, I add lemon to it, but turns out I ran out of lemons. So life didn't give me lemonades today, so we're gonna add some chia seeds. And then I'm too lazy to grab another spoon, so let's just use this knife, you know? And there you go. I'm gonna pop this in the fridge and just let it chill while I go clean the patio or the balcony. So I just washed my cutting board and I'm gonna make some chips. Yesterday I made some good salsa verde and chips sound so good right now. So I'm just gonna cut these in four. Guys, I just love chips and salsa, I swear. This is, oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay. So let me cut these babies. I'm gonna fry them and then I'm gonna add some salt and Mexican chili powder and I'll be showing you guys because this is my day in the life. Ta-da! Now we have to fry these. So I sprinkled some of this hot Mexican chili powder and a little bit of salt. And this is so amazing. So I'm gonna keep making them. My chips are finally done. Just gonna remove these paper towels. I just put these paper towels for so that it could absorb the oil. Ooh. And I think we should do an ASMR moment. So hush hush. And I'm gonna go clean my patio furniture that I keep saying I'm gonna go clean. So I only got a few in a bowl. I have the rest here. I'm gonna add, drizzle some salsa verde. Okay guys, I like a lot of salsa, so we are gonna sprinkle some queso fresco. I'll probably pop this in the microwave just for a couple seconds. I can't wait to eat this. I'm gonna eat this actually outside. So we are gonna go out for a walk. Lady took a nap and I was trying to take a nap, but I couldn't. So I ended up watching a little bit of TV. And come on, let's go outside. She's so cute. Come on. Come on, let's go.